Hi, my name is Claire Schumann. I was born on September 13th, 1890 in Leipzig, Germany. I am married to Robert Schumann. I was in the beginning of the Romantic era. I love playing the piano. I was actually a leading pianist in the Romantic era. My father gave me a broad music education. I wrote my first piece when I was 14 and performed it when I was 16. In the end, I wrote 66 pieces. As I grew older, I lost confidence. By the age of 36, I didn't compose anything. Inspired by my husband's birthday, 3 romances were composed and dedicated to Joseph Joachim, who performed them for George B. of Hanover. He called them a marvelous and a heavenly pleasure. I composed many different types of music. Some were lighter, orchestra, dances, romances, and piano. Some songs were Lorelei, Olas, and Alexis, and Sonatia. My parents were divorced when I was 4, and my dad took care of me. When I was married, I had a couple of children. My youngest one, Emil, died when he was only 1 year old. In 1847, my husband attempted suicide. My daughter Julie died and left 2 small children. My son Ludwig died of mental illness. My other son Felix died when he was 25, and my last son Ferdinand died at the age of 45. In the later years of my life, I became deaf and needed a wheelchair. At that point, it became a real challenge for me to compose. I died on May 20th, 1896, in Maine, Germany, of a stroke.